Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everybody of you is fine. I welcome you to the Nelson's Distant Education System. Today, we'll see English Grammar for grade 8th. The first weekly course of English Grammar includes word building as the first chapter. And the word building includes formation of the nouns, formation of the adjectives, and formation of the verbs. We'll begin first with the formation of nouns, or you could say the formation of abstract nouns. How are the abstract nouns formed? They can be formed from verbs. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives. Abstract nouns can be formed from common nouns. Let us begin with the nouns formed from verbs using suffixes. But before we could begin, we'll clear the terms prefix and the suffix. Prefix are the letters that are used before the verbs, and suffixes are the letters that are used after the words. So prefix means before and suffix means after. We'll begin first with ment. Ment as the suffix. When the verb is achieve, when you add ment as the suffix, it becomes achievement. Next is street. When you add ment as a suffix, becomes streetment. Judge, after adding suffix ment, becomes judgment. Then using the suffix ance, when the verb is disturbed, after using the suffix ance, changes to disturbance. Perform, after adding the suffix ance, becomes performance. Allow, after adding the suffix ance, becomes allowance. Next is ence as a suffix. When the verb is depend, after adding ence, becomes dependence. The verb is prefer, after adding ence, becomes preference. Next is the suffix al. When the verb is approve, you have to remove e and put al as the suffix that changes the approve to approval. When the verb is propose, remove e, put al, changes to proposal. When the verb is deny, change y to I and then add al, that changes to denial. Arrive, when the verb is arrive, after removing e, put al, changes to arrival. Using the suffix ion, if the verb is act, put ion, changes the verb to action. If the verb is separate, remove t and put ion, that changes to separation. If the verb is celebrate, remove t, put ion, that changes to celebration. If the verb is elect, put ion as a suffix that changes to election. Now, using the suffix sion, if the word is collide, remove de, put sion, that changes to collision. If the verb is include, remove de, put sion, that changes to inclusion. If the verb is extend, remove d, put sion, it changes to extension. How to use the suffix sion? If the verb is admit, remove t, put sion, that makes the verb admission. If the verb is concede, remove de, put sion, that changes to concession. If the verb is permit, remove t, put sion, then it changes to permission. How to use the suffix ption? If the word is consume, remove e, put ption, it changes to consumption. If the verb is describe, remove be, put ption, changes to description. If the verb is subscribe, remove be and put ption, that changes to subscription. How to use the suffix ation? If the verb is admire, then remove e, put ation, changes to admiration. If the verb is declare, remove e, put ation, changes to declaration. If the verb is examine, remove e, put ation, that changes to examination. How to use the suffix ition? If the word is add, After adding ITION, it changes to addition. If the verb is define, remove E, put ITION, that changes to definition. If the verb is repeat, just add ITION, changes to repetition. How to use the suffix CATION? If it is apply, remove Y, put I, and then put CATION, that changes to application. Justify, as it is, you have to remove Y, put I. You have to replace Y first with I and then put the suffix CATION, that changes to justification. Qualify, replace Y with I, then put CATION, qualification. How to use the suffix only Y? If it is assemble, remove E, put Y, changes to assembly. If it is enquire, remove E, put Y, changes to inquiry. If it is flatter, simply put Y, that changes to flattery. How to use the suffix URE? If the word is depart, simply put URE, that changes to departure. If it is please, you have to remove E and put URE, that changes to pleasure. If the verb is proceed, you have to remove double E to single E, you have to change double E to single E and then put URE, that changes to procedure. How to use the suffix AGE? If it is carry, remove Y and put I. Y will always be replaced with I. After replacing Y with I, put AGE, then it changes to carriage. Marry, remove Y, put I and add AGE, changes to marriage. Pack, simply add AGE, that changes to package. How to use the suffix sometimes T or sometimes TH? If the word is complain, simply put T, that changes to complained. If the verb is deep, remove double E to single E, make the double E to single E and then add TH. So deep changes to depth. Heal, if the verb is heal, simply put TH behind, so it changes to health. The noun forms can also be formed from adjectives. So if your word is bitter, by using the suffix NESS, you can change that to bitter to bitterness. If it is selfish, simply add NESS, selfishness. If the adjective is lonely, change Y to I and then put NESS, that changes to loneliness. How to use the suffix ITY? If the word is active, remove E, put ITY, so active changes to activity. If the word is create, remove E, put ITY, so create changes to creativity. If the verb is inferior, simply put ITY, that changes to inferiority. How to use the suffix in C portion, that is TY? So if the word or the adjective you could say is certain, then you have to put TY, so that changes to certainty. Royal, simply put TY, that changes to royalty. Able, remove E and put ITY, then it becomes ability. How to use suffix ENCE and ANCE? If the last letters are ENT of the adjective, then you have to replace that with ENCE. In short, you have to remove T and put CE. And if your adjective ends in ANT, then you have to remove T and put CE. So that change, ANT will change to ANCE and ENT will change to ENCE. If it is absent, so the last three letters are ENT. So that will change to ENCE. So absent will change to absence. If the word is excellent, ENT, you have to replace that with ENCE, so it changes to excellence. If the verb is important, then you have to remove ANT and that ANT will replace with ANCE, that changes to importance. Now we'll see how T or TE gets replaced with CY to form a noun form. Accurate, that ends in TE, so you have to remove TE and put CY, so that accurate changes to accuracy. Decent, it has only T, so remove T and put CY, that changes to decency. There are some unevenly formed noun forms like brave changes to bravery, broad changes to breadth, false changes to falsehood. Now noun forms formed from common nouns. So, boy using the suffix hood. So boy changes to boyhood. Brother changes to brotherhood. Now using the suffix ship, leader changes to leadership. Partner changes to partnership. Using the suffix age, bond changes to bondage. Pilgrim changes to pilgrimage after adding the suffixes age. There are some unevenly formed noun forms here too. Hero changes to heroism. Slave, slavery. Coward, cowardice.